Hi everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see how to make Bhindi do Pyaza or Bhindi Masala, which will be very delicious and can be enjoyed as a side dish along with roti or even with dal rice. So let's get started with this delicious Bhindi recipe. And here I've taken some bhindi or lady's finger which has been washed and then cut into medium portions like this. And now we'll add some ingredients. Here goes 2 tablespoons of roasted besan or gram flour. Then goes some salt as per taste. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder. 1/4 teaspoon of coriander or dhaniya powder. And 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder. Now we'll mix all the ingredients so that they coat well along with the bhindis. Alright, this is done. Next we'll heat a tablespoon of oil in a karhai or pan, and when the oil is hot we will add the bhindis coated with the gram flour and masala, and on medium flame we will stir them for 1 to 2 minutes. And now we will cover and cook them on low flame until they are 80% cooked. It's almost 6 minutes now and the bhindis are almost cooked. So I'll take them off and keep them aside in a plate. And in the same karahi I will add a little bit of oil, and when the oil is hot goes some onion chunks, and we will stir them for a few seconds. So these are also done. I will take them off and keep them along with the fried bhindis. There's still some oil left in the karhai, and into this goes 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds or Sabut Zeera. Next goes 1 small onion which has been finely chopped, and along with this goes 1/2 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. On medium flame we will saute them well for 1 to 2 minutes until the onions turn brown in color and the raw taste of ginger garlic goes away. By now the onions, ginger garlic has been well fried. Next I will add here around 2 tablespoons of Dabur homemade tomato puree, which is free from any preservative and color and is a good option when you don't have tomatoes at home. We'll stir this for 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame. We'll now quickly season this with some salt as per taste, a pinch of turmeric or haldi powder, and a pinch of Kashmiri red chilli powder. We'll mix this well. Since the bhindis are already fried well with the spices, so we don't need to add any other spices now. I will add a little water so that the masala doesn't get burnt. We'll mix this once. And now time to add the fried bhindi and the onion chunks. And keeping the flame on medium, we will stir and mix the bhindi with the masala so that they are well combined. And now we will cover and cook them on low flame for just 2 to 3 minutes till they are done. After 3 minutes, we will remove the lid and stir the bhindi once. Finally goes some crushed kasoori methi leaves and 1/4 teaspoon of my homemade garam masala powder. We'll give a final mix. And friends, our bhindi do pyaza or bhindi masala is now ready to be served hot. And here goes our delicious bhindi do pyaza on the serving plate. So friends, I hope you'll try this amazing bhindi recipe. Also share your feedbacks and do subscribe my channel if you haven't yet for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.